Good morning, students. Today we will start with theorems. The first theorem is angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. You must have been knowing what is an isosceles triangle. It is a triangle in which two sides are equal. So let us prove this. We have to prove that the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So given ABC is an isosceles triangle. Since it is an isosceles triangle, so AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So what is the angle opposite to AC? That is angle B. And what is the angle opposite to side AB? That is angle C. So we have to prove that angle B equals to angle C. For this we have done a construction. We have drawn AD, the bisector of angle A, to meet BC in D. If AD is the bisector of angle A, means angle BAD equals to angle CAD. Now let us prove. For this we have taken the two triangles BAD and CAD. In the two triangles AB equals to AC, it is already given because ABC is an isosceles triangle. Angle BAD equals to angle CAD because we have taken this by construction, and AD equals to AD common. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by side angle side, that is SAS congruency rule. Since the two triangles are congruent, therefore angle B equals to angle C by CP/CT. Hence, the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Hence proved. Now, let us see the next theorem. It is given that the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Means this is the converse of the previous theorem. Over there we proved that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. We have to prove that the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So given is ABC is a triangle in which angle B equals to angle C. We have to prove that the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So the side opposite to angle C is AB and angle B is AC. So we have to prove that AB equals to AC. Again, we have drawn AD, we have done a construction. We have drawn AD, the bisector of angle A, to meet BC in D. Since it is bisecting angle A, therefore angle BAD equals to angle CAD. Now for proving, we have again taken these two triangles, triangle BAD and triangle CAD. In this, angle B equals to angle C. Given angle BAD equals to angle CAD by construction, and AD equals to AD common. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by AAS congruency rule. Now, since the two triangles are congruent, therefore AB equals to AC by CP/CT. Hence, the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Now we will start with exercise 7.2. So we have done two theorems. The angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, and the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So we will be using these two theorems in this exercise. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show that OB equals to OC and AO bisects angle A. Now we have drawn the figure. It is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB equals to AC. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect at O. And we have joined A to O. This is the question which is given. As per question I have drawn the figure. Now let us prove. Since AB equals to AC, means sides are equal, So by theorem 1, angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Since AB equals to AC, therefore angle C equals to angle B. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now if angle C equals to angle B, half angle C will be equal to half angle B. Now this half angle C can also be written as half angle ACB, and half angle B can also be written as half angle ABC. Now what we have seen, that the bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at O. Means what? That OB and OC are the bisectors of angle B and angle C. So angle BCO, this angle is equal to angle CBO. Half of angle B and half of angle C, they are equal. Now if this, in this triangle OBC, let us see this triangle OBC. If angle B, half angle B equals to half angle C, that is angle BCO is equal to angle CBO, then the sides opposite to equal angles will be equal. Means it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore OB will be equal to OC. So the first part is proved. Now in triangle ABO, this triangle, and triangle ACO, okay, these two triangles we are taking. AB equals to AC given, angle ABO equals to angle ACO, as it is given in the, as we have just found out that half angle B equals to angle C, so half angle B will be equal to half angle C, and angle ABO is half angle of angle B, and angle ACO is equal to half angle C, and OB equals to OC we have just proved in the first part. Therefore the two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Therefore angle BAO equals to angle CAO by CPCT. Now since these two angles are equal, means what? That AO bisects angle A. Hence proved. So students, for today this much only. Thank you.